You know I work for Uber Eats.
Uber Eats.
Uber Eats.
Yeah.
So I'm rated 5 stars, 0 cancellations, 90% acceptance. So you know when I'm in town, you need some food delivered, you can come to me.
Oh, okay.
I got you.
Okay.
So
you deliver food.
Yep.
Well, you delivered more than food.
So I'm en route doing a delivery.
Yeah.
So as me doing a delivery, I pull up to my homeboy house, not knowing that I was dropping food off to him.
Yeah.
So I go to the door, we chit-chatting and stuff, and he was like, you could come in and we could have a little smoke session.
Yeah.
So I walk in, and I see a random chick, and I see Lamar.
Yeah.
So we chilling, talking.
Yeah.
We doing all that. And then the random chick and the homeboy went upstairs. So I hear her moaning, and then they started having sex. So I look to the right, see Lamar, and me and my ranging hormones. I jumped on him. I started kissing him. I got on top of him, and yeah.
You jumped on him. Is he okay?
Oh, yeah, he's fine.
Okay.
He was fine during, too.
Now, does your friend know that you slept with?
No, she's going to find out today, though.
Oh, so you're here to tell her. Do you want to be with him?
I mean, we got to figure something out because I'm traumatized. So it's either, we come up with a scheduling, like I take 3 days, she take 3 days, and he get a break,
So you're willing to share him?
Yeah.
You are so nice. All right, so Makiba is your friend?
Yep.
Well, she's been watching, so she now knows is Makiba.
Is you big hoe, little hoe?
My big hoe, little hoe. How you sound?
Obviously, you a big hoe, you man.
We can share.
Share? What are you talking about?
Why can't we share?
We can't share nothing. He's mine.
I mean, why can't we share? What's the problem with that? Our kids play together.
That's a big issue.
Nope, our kids play together. They can call each other brother and sister. We can make this work.
We can't make it
work. If you don't want to make it work, it's fine. I can take them. So
he
what you
don't
want
you. 10 years, sweetheart. 3 kids. 2 high risk. Almost lost one. You think he really gonna leave me for you?
I mean, he don't have to leave you. We can still.
No. Not gonna happen.
Huh?
Not gonna happen.
It's not gonna happen?
Maybe too much.
But
Are you surprised that he would do it?
Yes.
Because he's not normally cheating on you.
We haven't had issues with cheating in years.
Yeah.
So I guess she was the last person I would think that would do it.
Yeah.
Like, I trusted her, brought her in my family. Like, when she needs something, I'm there, I give it to her.
Yeah.
Likewise.
So, no.
Well, let's find out what he has to say about this. Here's Lamar.